Hello friends, today's topic is very fascinating, that is fluorescence. In this video, we are going to dig deep about fluorescence as to how they seem brighter. We are also going to highlight points about science behind it and much more fun. So stay till the end. You are well aware with this word fluorescent, and you see many fluorescent objects in your daily life. Highlighters are the best examples. They look extra bright than other colors. This is because they exhibit fluorescence. It is a phenomena where a material absorbs light of a specific color and then emits a different color with a longer wavelength. This property makes them seemingly glowing. For this, I am using a near UV light and blue light sources to illuminate this. See how it glows in dark. But as soon as you stop shining light, it stops glowing. I also have some UV LED lights which show the same effect. You can also get that with blue light or maybe with a white light covered with blue gelatin paper, but they won't be that satisfactory. A fluorescent object is physically brighter than normal objects. For example, take a normal yellow color and a yellow highlighter color in sunlight which have both visible and UV light. You see, highlighter color seems brighter as it absorbs the UV light and emits more yellow light. You may appreciate it better when they are illuminated only with UV light. Here, normal yellow color absorbs all light and reflects back none. Hence, it appears black, whereas fluorescent color absorbs UV and emits yellow light and glows in dark. This is because of fluorescent molecules in highlighters called pyridine. Fluorescence is often informally called as neon colors. You must have seen construction workers wear fluorescent clothes, which makes them unusually bright. There are many objects such as toys, brushes, and many more which also exhibit fluorescence. Many countries have fluorescent security strips in their currency notes. Indian rupees too have these fluorescent security strips and many such patterns. You can see small bright lines in between. These are made for the security purposes to identify fake notes. Many detergents and some soaps have additional fluorescent brightening agents so as to make clothes much more brighter. Curcumin, which is the active compound in turmeric, also exhibits fluorescent properties when mixed in alcohol. You will be amazed to know that even ripe bananas are fluorescent. This is because of breakdown of chlorophyll into fluorescent chlorophyll catabolites. Let us understand how fluorescence works on molecular scale. Electrons in the atoms absorb a bit of light shining on it and jump to higher energy state. But this is temporary and they need to come back to their position. This can be done by losing energy in the form of light. So they emit a light of low energies for multiple downward transitions. High energy lights corresponds to blue, violet and ultraviolet light, and low energy lights are near to yellow and orange. Let's do something different. Let's make a fluorescent fluid. For this, we'll remove the ink of highlighter pen in water.